Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You guys are welcome back to my channel. This is Niger First Lady TV. I'm not doing a reaction today. I want to retouch my hair, like I want to re-dye my hair to another color. I'm not using this color. I have another color I'm going to be using. It's like a wine, but I don't know how the color is going to look like after dyeing it. So this is the color I'm going to be using to replace it with this one. This is the color Subaru is the name of this dye. They call it permanent dye, but I don't know how, if it's really permanent or not. So this one is, I think is okay, hand glove is inside, so I'm going to be very, and this is the color. This is the main color itself. It's a moisturizer, and also the main color, we call it pepper red, but I don't know, I mean red wine, but I don't know if it's gonna be red wine when I use it on my hair. So this is the color itself. It's in sachet, so I'm gonna pop it out from the sachet. And we also have the hydrogen cream. That's what is called, hydrogen cream. You don't call it just hydrogen, because if you use the watering hydrogen, it's not going to work. So that's why they use the cream. You can see how it looks like. It has a white color. So I'll use the hydrogen cream to mix that one. So this hydrogen cream I'm holding won't be enough, so I'm going to be using another one from the previous color I used before. So I'm still having some hydrogen cream remaining, so I think I'm going to be taking from this one and add it to the other one, because the other one looks so small. The one I'm going to use, it looks so small, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to be enough. So this is the normal hydrogen, the liquid one. This is not what you are going to use. You can't use this to mix any dye. It's not going to work. Instead, you use hydrogen cream. So yeah, it's called hydrogen peroxide cream. So guys, I'm just gonna mix everything, and I'm gonna show you all how I'm gonna mix it. So guys, I'm done mixing the dye. This is how it looks like. It looks like chocolate. It's not chocolate, it just looks like chocolate. So I'll go ahead and put on the I'm gonna allow it to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. And mind you, when you apply this kind of dye or any dye, it usually hurts your scalp. So don't be scared when you start to feel some hotness. Don't be scared at all. That is how it works. That is how it works for like 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm gonna wash it out, and I hope it turns out well. I just hope it comes out well, like the color, this exact color, I just hope it comes out very well. So after washing it, I'm gonna show you all how it looks. Guys, welcome. Now I am done with my hair. Ta-da! Yeah. It's not too bright, it's not too sharp. I like the color, it's dark and dull. Let me check, let me see. Yeah, yes, I like this color. It's not too sharp, it's not too dark, it's just beautiful. So guys, drop your comment below if you prefer me on this color or you prefer me on the old color, like that sharp color. So drop your comment below, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and also drop your thumbs up and all that. So till I come your way next time, bye.